Hey guys, welcome to Easy Go. Today we'll be doing an experiment using vegetables. Now let's get into this video. So as always, I'm ready with my safety goggles and gloves, and for this experiment, we're going to need two chemicals, copper sulfate and potassium iodide. So I'm going to take 1 spoon of copper sulfate and 2 spoons of potassium iodide. And mix them well together. We are mixing copper sulfate with potassium iodide. As the name suggests, potassium iodide has iodide, and when mixed with copper sulfate, it creates iodine molecules. So now we take the absorbent and dip it into the mixture for 5 seconds. As you can see, the absorbent took all the liquid from the mixture. Now time to take the absorbent out of there and brush off the crystals. Now we have to apply the absorbent on this paper. Now we take a piece of lemon and put it on here. And press gently, and take a slice of potato and put it on here and press gently for a minute straight. So we'll leave the potato and lemon on the paper for 5 minutes. Now the paper is coated with iodine molecules. We'll see how they react with potatoes and lemon after 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's take the lemon and potato off the paper and let's see what happened. Under the lemon, it's perfectly white. This is how the potato look like. What happened to the paper after we removed the potato and lemon, guys? The paper was coated with iodine molecules. When the iodine molecules reacted with the lemon's ascorbic acid, it turned into a colorless iodide ions, and that's why the area under the lemons is colorless, but not the area under the potato. Ascorbic acid is also known as vitamin C, but the human body cannot produce it on its own, so the human body gets vitamin C from food. But when food is lacking vitamin C, you catch a particularly nasty disease called scurvy, and the symptoms of scurvy are rather unpleasant. So, it also causes weakness and tooth loss. Before the ability of vitamin C to prevent scurvy was found, in the 20th century, sailors would always catch scurvy since they did not have any access to fruits or vegetables. Next time you see a pirate without a tooth, chances are that he did not lose it in the fight, but he did not have any fruits or vegetables to eat. Moral of the story, guys, is to always eat vitamin-rich foods. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, this is me, Dilshan, signing off.